Good morning, everyone. I'm on my way to the Action, a store widespread in Europe. And I've got a couple of messages from Diecast friends, thank you very much for that there are new Matchbox Powergrabs at the Action. And that's so cool about the Diecast community here. We help each other because, whoa, it's a little bit bumpy here. Because new Hot Wheels, new Matchbox, they're really hard to find here. But when they are there, you know what I'm going to say. Be fast, be quick, before everything is gone. Nice Porsche here, nice Land Rover Defender. So yes, on our way to the Action. And I hope these people here in front of me, tourists, will drive a little bit faster. And then I'll see you there. Okay, we arrived at the parking of the Action. Action is over there. I have no idea if there are Matchbox Powergrabs. Maybe I'm too late. We're going to find out. See, it's a store with all kinds of things. But over there, on the other side, is the toy section. Oh. And they should be. Bingo, there they are. Unfortunately, they take the box away, but okay. I already found one that I'm looking for, the Tesla. And there is another one. Okay, Ford Capri, also a cool one. Fire truck. Toyota MR2. GT Coupe. To take this one too. Here's another one. Yep, definitely need this one. Renault Kangoo in a shell livery. Ford Custom, why not? Classic police car. Mercedes, also need that one. Ah, there is the other Tesla. Definitely going to need that one too. Mazda. Oh yeah, was also looking for this one. Electric Honda. Got that Mazda again. Another Honda. Two more Teslas. Already seen that one. I think we have all of them. Okay, not bad at all. So I'm going to take this one home with me. The two Teslas. This is also a cool one. Yeah, why not? Honda Electric. No, this one not. No. Yep. Tesla. Oh. Another police car. Teslas. Okay, so I'm going to take these one home with me, and we're going to do an unboxing. See you at home. The diecast collection in my car is growing. Back home, and these are the ones I bought in the action in Belgium. Not 100% sure if they're also available in the action in the Netherlands, but I'm afraid not. Well, who knows, maybe a week later. Let's start with the one here on top. The Interceptor Utility Ford 2016. Yeah, this is the box's licensed product. And let's be honest, a box is a little bit better than a blister because of the environment. Better to recycle. Okay, let's open it up. Here it is. Maybe you can put some light on. Call 911 emergency. Side mirrors right here. Not sure what this is. Wouldn't it be nice if it had some details for the headlights. Nice bull bar. Black interior, looks okay. Can we see the steering wheel? Not that good. I can't see if it's a stump. I believe so. Yeah, it's a stump. Yeah, plastic base with some details, not much. And here, that thing in the back. But overall, a cool looking model. By the way, have you seen my video about the new Midget, the Volkswagen, from the Volkswagen, the original series? Totally awesome. Please check it out because it's going to be a big collector's item. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, next, Matchbox Tesla Model I in a red color. Here it is, typical Matchbox wheels on it. We got a Tesla steering wheel. That's nice. I like that. And also a nice interior. We got windscreen wipers on the window. Nice panorama roof. Here we do have painted headlights and the Tesla logo in the middle of the hood. Side mirrors, also painted rear lights, and we got a license plate. It says 0 emissions. That's a good thing, I think. Dual motors. Here we got the base. Made in Thailand, some details. Yeah. Good one. Okay, let's check the other Tesla from this case. Ooh, this is a cool one. Love the rims and the gray color. Again, is it the same interior? They use the same interior. It looks like it. No, it's a little bit different. I like that. It's also a smaller car, but same steering wheel. The steering wheel on this one is a little bit bigger. This one is a lot smaller. Ooh, I like this one a lot. Again, 0 emission on the license plate. And here we got the base, gray plastic base. Cool model, I like it. Another electric car, the Honda E from 2020. Pretty expensive car if you buy it for such a small car. It's pretty expensive. And the range of it is not that fantastic. Okay, we got a windscreen wiper here on the back. Painted rear lights, Honda E on the license plate and the Honda logo in the middle. Nice rims, I like the blue, dark blue color. Also painted front lights. And again, Honda E on the license plate. Steering wheel looks pretty cool. Not that bad. Oh no. It looks bad. It's no good. It's a stump. Not exactly a stump, but no details at all. But overall, I think this car is pretty cool. I like it. I like it in real life. And I like this 164. Is it a 164? Do we see a scale on the car? No, unfortunately not. But I'm assuming it's a 164 scale. Okay, next to the other. Then we're going to check out the Ford Capri 1970. I do not have the yellow one. I do not have the, what is it, the gray one. But now I do have this one. Yeah, look at that steering wheel, how ugly. Why, Matchbox, why? But yeah, overall it's a cool model. Chrome base, I like that. Rims are pretty nice. No further details. Yeah, here a little bit for the front lights. Okay, let's place that one here. Okay, I'm pretty curious about this one. The Kangoo in the shell livery. Oh yeah, I like this one. Black windows, but it looks kind of cool on a white livery with a Shell logo. Unit 125. No painted front lights. Meh. Big plastic ugly bumper. Oh, some details here on the side to open the door. But it was better to have some details here on the back, like a license plate and some painted front lights, and then skip the door handles. We do have side mirrors. We have a gray plastic base with some details. Not bad. Then last, the Toyota MR2 1984. Yeah, cool one. Nice rims. What have we? Steering wheel. Stump. Super ugly. Here we got some painted rear lights. MR2 in the middle. We got a plastic black base with some details. We do have some lensed headlights. I like that. Side mirrors, Toyota logo. Yeah, very nice casting except for the steering wheel. But yeah, we all know that we got stamps in the mainline Matchbox and sometimes also in the premiums. Okay, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. And most important, tell all your Diecast friends that there are Matchbox Powergrabs at the Action in Belgium. Maybe next week also in the Netherlands, but for now only Action Belgium. And I would like to know if there are new Matchbox Powergrabs in other actions in Europe, for example, Germany, France, etc. Let me know in the comments. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.